po yung OLA or loan app na topic natin today. At ito po ay si Etomo na matagal nyo na nire-request na i-review ko. Ilan Pinoy dati na under sa kay N Financing na ngayon ay si Etomo na. At pala ito yung loan app na to. You can actually borrow a huge amount of money at may dalawa po siyang product, si Etomo Revo and yung isa pa, which is a cash loan that you can pay in installment. Dati sa Android lang at ngayon nasa iOS na rin. Kaya pag-usapan natin yung loan app na to, baan mag-apply, sino ba yung qualified, and is it okay para sa inyo? Yun yung tatalakayin natin, so keep watching. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update. You guys, because this loan app is legit, matrabaho siya. If you have, hindi ka pwede sa ibang mga bank loans or mga credit cards or whatnot, okay na rin to. Anyways guys, so dito sa channel yung pinag-uusapan po natin ay mga online loan platforms and how this applies to our everyday lives. So kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel, please subscribe and hit the bell notification button para hindi kayo mahuli kapag mayroon akong share ng mga online lending platforms, especially yung mga legit. Anyways, anong ba tong si Etomo? It's a lending platform that currently offers two products. Si Etomo Revo and yung isang cash loan niya. Dito sa Etomo Revo, it's a revolving credit line. Think of it like G-Credit. Think of it like Revi Credit, Salmon Credit. Pero dito naman, you can get up to 50,000 pesos na revolving. And by revolving, it means pwede multiple users and meron siyang minimum. However, pag nag-minimum ka, whatever is remaining, meron po siyang nai-incur na interest. Kaya dapat, it's always good to pay your dues in full. Especially if gusto mong tuloy-tuloy yung paggamit mo sa ganitong service. So dito naman si Etomo Term, which is basically their cash loan that you can pay in 6, 9, or 12 months. And the problem lang dito is that medyo mahirap siya sa pag-slider because I wanted to get 10,000 lang but for some reason dun ako nasa stuck sa 10,001. Sana they give the option na i-type in mo. But anyway, just to give you an idea na kung sa 10,000 and then babayaran mo siya sa loob ng 6 months, you'll be paying it sa monthly amortization 2,289 because the interest per month 6% per month. Well, not bad, but the fact na more than 5% siya, kung nasa inyo yan. The good thing about this app is that kung approve ka, you can get your funds either sa e-wallet or sa bank account. And kung ayaw mo na sa loan app na to at wala kang outstanding, pwede kang mag-request na magpa-delete. And why did I do that? Let's get back to that later, ha? Now let's go to eligibility and requirements. Regularly employed or continuous contractual employee. This is the reason kung bakit ang pa-delete na lang ako, guys. And have a bias for loan apps that's open to all. Mapa-housewife ka man, or self-employed or employed, for as long as you can prove that may income ka, dapat pwede na sa isang loan app, diba? So yung loan app na to is medyo choosy. And for that kind of loan app na kanyang term loan is 6%, it's pretty high. Dahil niyo pong mga legit na mga loan apps that have competitively low interest na pwede ring applyan ng mga tao na self-employed. So medyo choosy po si Etomo for something that offers interest na hindi naman masyadong mababa. Pero kung pasok pa naman sa kanyang requirements, baka pwede to sa'yo because after all, okay na rin siya compared sa OLA. Do take note lang na matrabaho po yung loan app na to. Madugo. And this is what I'm going to show you next kung gusto mong magpatuloy. So you have the option to either download this in the Play Store or sa App Store. I really wish you luck na ma-approve sa loan app na to if you have all the requirements because it's flexible, pwede kang mag-minimum, and meron daw siyang perks, quote-unquote. At 1, 2, and 3, mukha siyang madali at this point. But well, guys, now you know na hindi ako pwede dito. Your reference, I work from home. I'm self-employed. Even if I have TIN, I have SSS, or wala akong requirements na hinihingi ni Etomo. So this is something for them to consider in the future. Kailangan mo siyang bigyan ng access sa geolocation mo. Rest assured na safe to yung information mo with Etomo dahil DPO GPS registered siya, and you need to agree sa data privacy and consent form. Kailangan i-verify yung phone number mo, so you need to provide your active mobile number, tapos mag-OTP ka, and then in setting up the account, you need to provide your personal information, which includes your name. Hindi pwedeng maglagay ng special characters sa application. So kung may hyphen or dash yung pangalan nyo na patanggalin nyo, gawin nyo ng space. Creating a password, meron po siya instructions sa pag-create ng password. Dapat mag-match and then continue. Now, kailangan mong maglagay or mag-input ng valid IDs mo. Yung mga tinatanggap niya is driver's license, national ID, passport, PRC, SSS, and UMID. Hindi po siya na-access sa camera kasi pagkatapos mong ibigay yung ID number mo or ID details, gusto niya po yung front and back ng ID mo at magpapaselfie siya na hawak mo yung ID. Then you can add additional documents but you can skip that as well. And then other information includes your gender, civil status, and highest educational attainment. Marami guys, maraming siyang hinihinging mga data sa'yo. Aside from your address, hingi po siya ng reference. One is a family member and then the other is your co-worker. Employed doon talaga siya ha. Isang reference is yung co-worker mo. Papaselect niya sa yung industry where you belong. Unfortunately, wala talaga akong mapiling industry dito na para sa aking type of employment. Napaka-specific niya guys. Hihingi niyo po yung pangalan ng employer mo and your employment status. Hihingi niya rin yung work schedule. So I had to fill it out para alam mo kapag continue ko para mapasilip ko sa inyo yung succeeding pages. And then hihingi po siya ng company ID, address ng company mo. And if you have dependents, other loans, kailangan mo i-provide yun. And you have to be very honest. Take your time sa pag-fill out ng form. Do it right the first time kasi yun nga guys, matrabaho siya, so sayang naman yung effort. Ang dami niyang hinihingi mga info guys. Hihingi rin siya ng proof of income mo. So I think the best choice here is your payslip, then yung monthly household income. So diba, masyadong siyang marites. Ganun talaga guys pag legit. Tanggapin na natin na pag legit, medyo dapat mag-e-effort po tayo because it's worth it. Especially kung hindi pa tayo approve sa mga bank loans. Ganun talaga. After mo i-input lahat ng information na kailangan niya sa'yo, bibigyan ka niya ng chance na ma-review lahat ng entries mo. So please take your time to review na tama ba yung lahat and then confirm your application. So dun na lang ako nag-stop. Hindi ko na siya submit. Alam nyo guys, kapag nag-submit kayo ng application, kahit na try lang niya, still shows sa credit report. Try downloading your TransUnion credit report and you will see the number of inquiries made sa records nyo. So, nakikita din sa TransUnion report ko sino-sino mga companies yung nag-CI sa'yo. Meron siyang konting effect sa credit score eh. So, kaya I'm careful sa mga ganitong bagay. Anyway, so hindi na ako nag-proceed. I just wanted to see the whole process and then after that, nag-request po ako na magpa-delete ng account because sa loan app na to pwede namang magpa-delete ng account but you have to submit a Google form and dun po nakita sa kanyang website yung link that opens up the Google form that you need to fill out para mag-request ng pa-delete. And it took them 48 hours before they sent me an email acknowledging my request na magpa-delete. I'm just gonna end the vlog here and say na it's unfortunate that this loan app is choosy. It's only open for those who are employed or kung may someone na makakapag-provide ng payslip. So I really hope that they would open their applications or memberships sa mga like us, freelancers in the future because for as long as you can prove na meron ka namang income, diba? Why not, diba? So that's it for today's video. I don't know what else to say. Ni-request nyo na silipin ko, so there you have it.